How to make a handkerchief mask. No sewing needed. First, go to your local dollar store and pick your favorite pattern. Next, get your hair ties, or my favorite is hair rubber bands. You can customize it to any size. Here's what you need. Cut the rubber bands to about 30 to 50 centimeters. Now, make a simple knot. You'll need a pair of loops like these. Fold the handkerchief into 3 parts. Take your loops and feed them onto each end. I'm keeping the knots on the inside of the fold so it looks better. Now, fold each side into the middle. Make sure it covers your nose and under your chin. If it's too tight, make the loops more bigger. Different sizes for bigger or smaller faces. There you go! It's easy to make your own. Please share with your family and friends.